Nines. And our last topic for today is risks and dangers, or sorry, not today. Our last topic for this unit is risks and dangers and the issues with space exploration. So yeah, it's cool, and yeah, it it helps us understand the universe better and our Earth better, but there can be some issues with it. Okay, so the risks and dangers of space travel. So it says from cancer treatments and pacemakers to Teflon and flat screen televisions, the technological benefits created by space research are now everywhere in our daily lives. So our cell phones wouldn't be as technically advanced if it wasn't for space travel. However, at the same time, the study of space has made us aware of many hazards that lie beyond Earth's protective atmosphere. So we've found so many different dangers beyond Earth. And we know that space travel can be dangerous. We explored the Challenger disaster and the Columbia disaster, right? We lost lives in that. So, how many dangers of manned space travel? Or, sorry, many dangers of manned space travel. So, just to give you some ideas, strapped into a small cockpit with several hundred tons of highly explosive fuel, so putting people in danger. Poor weather conditions in space. There can be a malfunctioning of equipment. Outside Earth's atmosphere, things can burn up. And there can be damage done to human organs. Yes, we have technology to help protect us. However, there is still potential. And re-entry has to be perfect. So if you guys ended up doing a movie study based on, I believe the movie's called Hidden Figures. Yes, it has to do with issues like racial issues in the States, but it also talks about how perfect re-entry needs to be for a specific shuttle to come back safely into Earth's atmosphere without it burning up or losing lives. So it has to be perfect. There's a lot of math that goes into that. And a concept called space junk. So another legacy of human presence in space is space junk. Now, obviously, this is a very edited image, as Ebby or Bram would probably point out to me. But pieces of debris that have fallen off rockets, space satellites, space shuttles, and space stations remain floating in space. And that can include little flecks of paint, bolts, dead satellites, lost antennas. So we leave things in space. And it can stay there for thousands of years. So who's responsible? Who cleans it up? Can it be cleaned up? The other thing about space junk is that it can eventually re-enter Earth's atmosphere. Sometimes, not always, sometimes. A small washer or screw may sound insignificant, but remember they are moving at 20,000 kilometers per hour. Even the smallest object moving at those speeds can be devastating. Most space junk will burn up if it passes Earth's atmosphere, but until it does, it's a very real threat to anyone or anything traveling in space. And that's kind of going to give you an idea for your space debate research. Yes, your last debate, don't worry, it's the last one. Your assignment will be uploaded on Google Classroom. Use real life examples to support your opinion. Use the NASA spin-off to help you in doing this one as well. And then let me know if you guys have any questions related to it. And that's it for Space Unit, guys. We're done science. If you were interested, though, attached to this lesson, there's some notes on some disasters that I kind of put together here. If you wanted to know and look through them to help you in putting together your debate statement. And this is on your Google class or your Google folder. Okay?